Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Let's see what we have here. AMC 390 power. Looks like it's got factory air, aluminum radiator. It's a 69 AMX. 390, 315 horsepower, 4-speed. Says it's got aluminum heads, that's not factory. Center force clutch, that's not factory. Gold rocker arms. So she's a hot rod. And a very beautiful modern paint color. This color pops. It's dark in here and this color pops. Check out that 4-speed shifter. Beautiful, beautiful. AMXs were 2-seaters, by the way. The Javelin was a 3-seater, so there was no back seat, as you can see. She was a 2-seater, sports car kind of a deal. Beautiful. A little pitting on the chrome here. It needs to get these re-chromed, and the tail light's got a crack. Probably hard to find that stuff. He did a really good job though. Man, these cars had to be a blast to drive. I had a chance to buy one just a couple years ago before COVID for $9 grand. This is February of 24. Could have got that car for $9 grand, 390 automatic car in dark green. What the hell was I thinking? I wasn't. Well, it sold for $34,000. That's a bargain. Somebody got a bargain. Unreal, undamn real. Beautiful car. The MSD ignition in it. So she's not original. She's got a little hot rodding done to her. Needs a little work on some chrome pieces here and there. But still, $34,000? Come on, big folks. Look at what you're getting. God, look at that. Oh man, check out the steering color. Look at that. You painted it the same color as the body. And that's a wood grain steering wheel. Nice, very nice. All right, folks, I got to go get me a burger. I'm about to starve. A lot of videos out of this auction. This is the car auction I'm at. A lot of videos, so there's going to be plenty on the channel over the next few months. So enjoy it. Watch these videos. Hit that thumbs up. Scroll down. I got 4 years worth of videos on here. Scroll down. Watch some of the other videos. Watch those if you can. Like those. It really helps us out. Helps the hobby out. All right, folks. Bob out.